got out of the shower, been flying all night. We're brushing teeth in it.
Welcome back to part 2 of the vlog. I'm getting ready right now to go out for a bit in the streets of Barcelona with the crew. We take off in about 20 hours. Let's get into it.
Hermanos, aquí estamos en España. So nothing special, just shopping right now with some flight attendants. I'm just walking around, trying to see if there's anything interesting for me to get. Probably not, maybe I'll get something to drink or something. After that, we're gonna probably go find some place to eat some comida. Barcelona, man, feels good. Very different to Madrid as well. It's more cosmopolitan. I feel like people speak more French and English as well. So it's pretty interesting to be here and witness that, right? El cielo es la casa, no tienes límites. Fly JV. Ahora estoy en la calle. Anyway, I'm on the street right now, just waiting for the flight attendants to come outside. They did a lot of shopping, but now it's time to go get some food. I'm starving. The city is beautiful. First time in Barcelona. Fortunately, we're not here for long. This is the weekend. In the weekend, we have shorter layovers here, right? So I might do another vlog later, so we have longer time together and we can explore the city and go on adventures and stuff. But this will have to do for now.
After a few hours of shopping and walking around, I grab myself some food and head back to the hotel with the rest of the crew.
What's up, YouTube? Got myself some KFC. About to be eating good on that. Fried chicken, but you know how it is. I just wanted to taste that Spanish KFC again. It's been a while. So here we are. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm still very tired, so I'm gonna eat this, pass out, and I'll see you guys later. What's up, YouTube? It's 1 a.m. right now, 1:30. So I've been sleeping for the past few hours. I'm gonna get up now and prepare my flights, and you know, just freshen up, get ready for departure and stuff like that. Since I haven't done that flight that much, I'm just gonna look at the route and prepare everything thoroughly to make sure that everything is fine. The radio calls, FIR, entry points, etc. But yeah, I think we leave the hotel around 7:50 local time, so that's like 6:50 in UTC time. Back to work, let's get it.
For flight preparation, I look at the aircraft status for any defects and problems that might affect the flight. I look at the NOTAMs, notice to airmen, I look at the weather, and I calculate the fuel taking into account all of these preceding factors and make sure the final fuel figures don't make us overweight for takeoff and for landing at the destination.
Alright guys, it's 7:50. It's time to leave. I'm done with my preparation. I'll go downstairs, get some breakfast. I have to be very meticulous with the workload in the cockpits because you gotta be very focused when it comes to taxiing, departures, radio communications, etc. Let's hit the road.
I meet up with the crew at the hotel breakfast room 20 minutes before we leave the hotel and get some food before we hit the road for the airport. I get myself some croissant, pain au chocolat, ham, cheese, jamon, some cereal, orange juice, and of course a cup of coffee. It's about a 15-minute drive to Barcelona El Prat International Airport.
What's up, bro?
We walk to the airport and check in our bigger luggage, get through security check to get airside, and walk to our gate to board the aircraft and get the operation underway. Follow me on Instagram at Jason Voudry for more aviation, motivation, music, and my daily life content. Before we get into the flight, guys, make sure you check the official FlyJV merch today. The link is in the description down below. We got hoodies, t-shirts, tank tops for the gym, face masks to protect yourself and those around you while staying fly. Get your merch, guys. Also, if you haven't done so already, join the FlyJV Discord server. We got several chat rooms where we can talk about aviation, motivation, flight sims, video games, and much, much more. If you want to listen to and support my music, the links are in the description down below. And my new album just dropped now, also on Apple Music, Spotify, etc. Links all in the description. Enjoy. Now, let's fly. Finally back in the cockpit. Most of the preliminary and cockpit preparation has been done. Exterior walk around is done. Me and the captain are now getting the plates and charts ready for departure. We were just informed by clearance that our expected departure has been modified due to the active runway being changed. I read back the new clearance to ATC and get the additional plates ready for the new departure and get familiar with the new taxi routing for the latest clearance. We push back and start up both engines. We then perform the after start flow and the checklist, signal to the ground handler that we're good to go, and request taxi clearance with ground. Perform the brake and flight control checks as always and can now focus on the taxi routing and getting the last few checklists done before takeoff. As the taxi to runway is pretty long, we are passed along to different ground frequencies based on our position and are cleared progressively to the holding point of our departure runway. Finally get clearance from tower to line up and take off following a Lotus departure with an initial climb clearance of 6,000 feet, and we'll have to contact approach while on the standard instrument departure for further clearance and climb to higher altitude. Time for takeoff.
Charlie, Torre, buenos días. Pista 02, autorizado a aterrizar, viento 330 grados, 8 segundos. Carto 02, requiere 240.
During cruise, we get our meal. It being an early morning flight, it is a breakfast composed of a Spanish omelet, ham, croissant, bread, butter, cheese, fruits, crackers, jam and cake. Tasty as always. And I got my cup of coffee. This is a 5-hour long flight. We will fly through Barcelona airspace, then Sevilla, Casablanca, Nouakchott, and finally Dakar. Towards the end of the flight, we get our last meal and prepare to approach for landing on ILS Zulu runway 01 of Blaise Diagne International Airport in Dakar. Let's land and go home. Today's landing will be a special one. For training, we have decided to perform an automatic landing, meaning the aircraft will land by itself. It is a procedure that requires a lot of active monitoring and prior briefing, and that can only be done if the aircraft and airport ground equipment permits.
Minimum 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard. Retard.
Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video, man. If you made it here, comment down below FlyJV VIP Club so I know you're a real one. Make sure to tell me what was your favorite part of the video in the comment section down below, and don't forget to check out my new album that's out on Apple Music, Spotify, Deezer, and everywhere else. Link in the description down below. Share on social media and let me know what truck was your favorite. Remember, the sky is not the limit, the sky is home. Be limitless.